Hello everyone, super pumped about this, as in this box is an unreleased Cybertruck refrigerator called the CyberFreezer. I haven't even seen a picture of it yet. It's going to be crowdfunded, link and really nice discount code will be in the description down below. So let's open this up, get it installed, test everything out and see how we like it. Let's go. So no more CT number 2. I present you ta-da! Wait, what the take 2? Okay, so looks really nice, very cybery. As we flip this over, at the top we have the container opening. We'll see how much fits in there. We have a power and a couple other buttons, a USB plug, a USB-C for phone chargers or whatever. Before we get this installed and play with everything, we have a few brackets and a cool box instruction manual. All right, let's do this. Here we go. Step 1, move the seat back. Now, with the seat back, we move in and the refrigerator is going to slide in through right here. The cord is going to get sent to the back. And the LCD screen ends up around here. Look at that, it just slides on in. Now, we just have to find the posture. And that's not it. Okay, so this thing is gonna want to just fall inside there. But that's totally fine. What I've figured out is if we leave this open, we'll be able to grip in here and keep wiggling it until we're able to find the balance point, which is right there. Then we just take the bracket, and thankfully the holes are sitting right here, so this isn't going to be hard at all. So we grab this, lift it, set it down, and that's it. Now all we have to do is put the screws in, send this to the back, plug it in, and we can start playing with it. Okay, we are done. This is how it looks. Not bad. Super sturdy, completely flush all the way around. The caps cover the screws from being visible. There's a little pocket in there. That's it. The install is almost done. Alrighty, now we plug it in. First try, and I did that without seeing. Success. Here we go. Listen to this. Voila. And ta-da! Okay, the track looks pretty good. No complaints. Now, we turn the power on the screen, and this beauty will come to life. Okay, so to give the screen some power, we have to turn the outlets on, and the truck wants to go to Sicky's garage for a burger. You know who you are. We go to the truck icon, press outlets, turn that on, and now we can hear the beep. We are good to go. Let's do some testing. Okay, it is 103 outside. We are baking in here. So this thing must be super hot. Let's turn on the outlets. And when we do, you'll see the light turn on, followed by the beep. There we go. It's 116 Fahrenheit. Now, we can control everything through the settings button here. Or, we have an app, which we connect via Bluetooth. Start search, already found it, connect. We hear the beeping and we are connected. You can do Celsius, Fahrenheit, control everything through the app. Let's say I want it at 35 degrees. So it is currently 4:22 p.m. Let's let it run for a while and see how long it takes to cool down. We are at 114 degrees. Let's shut this, give it some time, and we'll check in on this later. And one quick thing to show you, the charge ports. We have a cable for some charging. I have a USB to USB-C here. We grab the phone, plug it in, bam! It's charging. Okay, that's it. Okay, we're back, and it is now 30 degrees at 5:24 p.m. So in an hour, it went from 116 degrees, 114 to 30, which is just amazing. I didn't have the air conditioning on or anything. I just let it run just to see how long it would take all by itself. That's awesome. Now all that's left is seeing how much we can get inside. So let's do this. Deep, very deep. Almost too deep. I got some little arms. I'll be honest, total fail on my part. I just completely didn't realize I ran out of drinks. And as you saw, the bin was just about halfway filled. So you can easily fit 20, 24 cans and then some extra stuff in there. I mean, it's got a lot of room. Decent sized bottles or steaks, I don't know. That is completely up to you. But from the space area, it has got a ton of room. It definitely does its thing. With this being a test launch, rebranded T-Launch product, I was pretty confident with it, as I had purchased a couple of things from them before and had never been disappointed. That's it. All of these were stuffed in there, and you could easily double it and add some extra stuff. This is good. It's really good. Very nicely done. Now, final thoughts. CyberFreezer, it's awesome. Zero complaints from me. The temperature gets cold fast. It's got a couple of different modes, normal, eco, max. So it's up to you how you want to run it. The vents on the side, not annoying or loud. The extra plugs, very nice touch for chargers or whatever else you want to plug in there. The app is simple and it does what it's supposed to do. The installation, you shimmy it a little bit, but it's not difficult at all. And once it's on there, it is on there tight. Again, zero complaints from me. Also, very thankful for the opportunity to do such a review. Thank you all for the support and everything else. It is truly, truly appreciated. Thank you. Check out the campaign. I'll leave all the details in the description down below. I know there's a solid early bird special. That's it for this one. Hopefully you liked the video. Hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Take care.